Good morning. Our topic is reflecting telescope. Earlier to this, I discussed the refracting telescope, means the telescope in which lenses are used. Now, what is the need of reflecting type telescope? In reflecting type telescope, we use mirrors. As you know, the lenses are heavier than the mirror. Means mirrors are lighter than the lenses. So the need of this reflecting type telescope here. It is also called Cassegrain telescope after the name of its inventor. Why we need one more cause is that the lens is failed to focus all the colors of light at a single point. This is called chromatic aberration. Means the image of white light observed by the lens sometimes observed blurred and colored. So to remove these defects, Cassegrain invented the reflecting type telescope. In reflecting type telescope, there is an objective mirror which is concave in nature. This objective mirror has a hole in its middle so that light can pass through. There is a secondary mirror which is convex in nature, and a eyepiece is here. Again we use lens. This is the defect. Now when the light from the distant object falls on the primary means objective lens or a concave mirror, objective mirror or concave mirror, then these rays of light coming from distant object and parallel to each other, after reflection from the mirror, they try to meet at its focus. But there is a secondary mirror which is convex in nature placed before the focus. So before doing so, these reflected rays of light again reflected, and these reflected rays of light form the image of the distant object observed by the eyepiece. This is the working. Once again, object is at infinity, so rays of light comes parallel to each other and falls on the objective mirror or a concave mirror. Now after reflection, these rays of light try to meet at its focus, but before the focus of objective or concave mirror, a convex mirror is also placed. This convex mirror reflect these reflected rays again, and these reflected rays reflected by the secondary mirror or convex mirror form the image of the object. Now the object formed by the image by the telescope is brighter. Why? In refracting telescope, when light passes through the lens, some intensity decreases. So the image formed by the reflecting type telescope is comparatively brighter than the image formed by the refracting type telescope. Now, this type of telescope is free from aberration. Free from aberration means chromate. Free from chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration means failure of a lens to focus all the colors at a single point is called chromatic aberration. In case of reflecting type telescope, there is no chromatic aberration. The image is not colored, it is fine color. Next, number 3, high resolution. High resolution. These are the advantages of reflecting type telescope over the refracting type telescope. This is all about reflecting type telescope or the Cassegrain telescope.